Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, and before you make a choice on which countertop oven to buy, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research on this versatile appliance, and you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. So you clicked on this video to learn about the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro's price, performance, and real-world usage scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro's standout feature is its Element IQ system, with 5 independent quartz heating elements that use smart algorithms to direct power precisely where and when it's needed. This 1,800-watt powerhouse offers an exceptional 13 cooking functions, making it perfect for home cooks who want professional-level versatility without sacrificing counter space. The extra-large capacity measures 21.5 x 17.1 x 12.7 inches internally, accommodating up to 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, or most 9x 13-inch pans. What truly sets this model apart is the Super Convection Technology with its 2-speed convection fan system. The Super Convection mode reduces cooking time by up to 30% while ensuring even heat distribution for perfectly air-fried foods. Professional chefs and busy families will appreciate how the digital PID temperature control eliminates cold spots, delivering restaurant-quality results consistently. The air fry function reaches higher temperatures combined with maximized airflow, creating crispy golden French fries without the guilt of deep frying. Additionally, the dehydrate setting allows you to process up to 4 trays simultaneously, making it ideal for health-conscious users who enjoy making their own dried fruits, vegetables, or beef jerky. The LCD display provides intuitive access to all functions and indicates when preheat is complete, automatically counting down cooking time for precise results every time. Moreover, the integrated interior oven light activates automatically at the end of cooking cycles, though you can turn it on anytime to monitor progress. The comprehensive accessory package includes a 13-inch pizza pan, 2 oven racks, a 9x 13-inch broil rack with enamel roasting pan, and a mesh basket rack specifically designed for dehydrating and air frying. These accessories expand your cooking possibilities right out of the box. Furthermore, the slow cook function transforms this countertop oven into a 5-quart Dutch oven alternative, perfect for stews and braised dishes. However, one notable downside is the unit's substantial footprint on your counter. At nearly 18 inches wide and over 12 inches deep, some users may find it challenging to fit in smaller kitchens or apartments with limited counter space. The 1,800-watt power consumption might also trip breakers in older homes when used alongside other high-wattage appliances. The versatility extends to everyday functions like toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, reheat, and cookie settings. Each function is optimized with specific time and temperature algorithms, ensuring outstanding results whether you're making morning toast or hosting a dinner party. The replaceable componentry design means you can maintain this investment like a traditional oven, extending its lifespan significantly. Build quality is remarkable with a brushed stainless steel construction that resists fingerprints and complements modern kitchen aesthetics. The 2-year limited warranty provides peace of mind, though many users report years of reliable performance beyond the warranty period. Operating at 120 volts, it's compatible with standard North American outlets without requiring special electrical work. You got it. So, that's it for the best countertop air fryer oven on the market for this year. Like, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe.